我看到你的眼，第一次牵着手，是牵着你的手，独一无二的身材，比星星还要亮，传入掌心的温柔，比阳光还要暖，在高山俯视我们的过去，在回家的路上找寻秘密，一个梦想和一个你 Forever with me， 指引我的是你的影子，在回家的路上。
Huh? Sacred monkeys have come here!
Is that the best you got?
Oh!
Yay! This is our chance. You're dead this time. It's me! I never knew these things existed.
Thought you might like some fruit. Looks like you guys were hungry.
You ought to be ashamed!
Something always goes wrong, and it's all your fault.
Huh? I did what you said. Not my fault your feet look like his. Huh?
What? Ha! Hey-ya!
Ooh-yeah!
And it's not my fault your face looks like a target either.
I saw Clark, but where did he go? And Stealth and Knuckles are here. Mom, I hope you're okay on Mount Concha.
Ashley! Ashley! Hi, Ashley!
Huh?
Guess what? We've been looking all over for you.
That's right! Doesn't matter where you hide, we'll always find you!
Sure will.
Right.
Huh? Oh!
Ashley, you seem upset.
I've been thinking about going back to Mount Concha. Back to see my mom.
Oh, hey, Alt, who goes there? Who did that? Oh. I got it. That's what we have to do. It's morning, Knuckles, so wake up.
Oh, who did that? Show yourself! Come on, I'm ready for ya! Is it those blue-faced golden monkeys here for revenge? Well, I ain't afraid. I'll spifflicate ya!
Huh? You numbskull. Hi-ya!
Hey!
There's no way those blue faces will find us here. That's why I chose this spot. And my camouflage skills have made us almost invisible. If you think you can do better, then go ahead.
Then what did you wake me for if we're so safe? Gee whiz, Stealth, I was dreaming of the good old days on Mount Concha.
Huh? Right. We've got some business to take care of.
We do? We going back to Mount Concha?
You know the business I'm talking about, Knuckles. The business of show business. We're gonna put on an unforgettable performance.
We did it before, we can do it again.
Well, I was brilliant, but you need to be more convincing. Yeah? Open wide. Hi-ya!
Oh!
Huh?
Oh my guts, that really hurt. No way am I being crushed or hit with anything again. So there.
No, trust me. I've got something special in mind. Something even you will like.
Oh? It's them again! It's those guys from yesterday!
I bet they're gonna put on another awesome show. Come on, show us what you got. Yeah! Ha ha!
May I have your attention, please?
Yeah.
Watch the banana.
Oh boy!
What? Banana tricks? Between John and Lango, we've seen them all.
Hey! And now a sugar cane.
Wow, cool!
What did I miss? And what are they doing back here?
Watch closely.
A bunch of flowers.
I've never seen anything like it.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, before your very eyes, ta-da!
That was so cool. How do you do it?
All you need is steady hands, complete concentration, and a sneaky tail like mine.
Whoa! This is sneaky.
Yeah, well, don't stare at it, they'll see you. Ha! It took me a whole night of practicing to perfect this while you snored your head off. I figured the only audience you could entertain would be yourself in a mirror.
And not even then. Thank you.
Now, check this out.
There's nothing inside.
Huh?
Ooh. Now watch carefully. Ta-da!
Whoa, that's fantastic!
Oh, no way! That's unbelievable!
So where's Ashley?
I saw him yesterday. He seemed upset.
Poor old Ashley. Seems there's always something bothering him.
I think maybe we should go find him.
Do you mean right now?
Sure.
Let's go after the show is over.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you all.
And now for the grand finale, we're gonna need some volunteers. Anyone out there brave enough to come on up?
I am. Honest. Pick me. Please.
Pick those two kids.
Nah, they're too clever. We need someone who isn't quite as sharp as those two are. Let's see. Now, how about you, good sir?
Who, me?
Yeah, you big guy. Come on up.
Yeah, go on, Brian.
Show us what you got.
Yeah, you can do it.
All right, but as soon as I'm done, we find Ashley. Okay, here I come. Up. Ta-da!
Ha! All right, everyone. Now pay attention. Don't you even blink or you'll miss the trick. Now for the disappearing panda trick.
Huh?
What? Me disappear? Impossible. You want me to go in?
Uh-huh.
But if I disappear, how will I get back?
Brian!
Okay. It's pretty dark.
Now, everybody saw him go in, am I right? Hey, presto.
Wow.
Huh? He disappeared. Yeah, but where'd he go?
How can a big panda like Brian just disappear?
Now, take a look behind you.
So how did I get here?
Oh, that's amazing. I want to try.
Let me try.
I want to try, and I'm gonna.
Daniel, I think we should find Ashley first.
Ah, all right. Any sign of him?
Not a one. You kids?
Right, we keep looking. But something's not right. Where would he go?
There's Becky. Why don't we ask her?
She won't know. She's been way too busy picking fruit. Let's not worry her.
What if he disappeared without a trace like Lango?
There's no way! He's a responsible king. He wouldn't just leave us. He's just about the greatest person I've ever known.
You guys gotta hear this! Oh, God! All gone!
Yeah, Ashley's gone. We know. We've been searching for him for hours. And not a single trace of him.
Not Ashley! The kids who volunteered for the magic show, they're all gone!
I was the first to do it. And I came back just fine, didn't I?
Yeah, I guess so. But you were the only one who came back. And everyone else who did it is missing!
What? Are you serious?
Sure, I'm serious. You say Ashley's missing too?
Yeah, since we don't know where he is exactly.
Hey guys, I'm here.
Huh?
Take me to where this happened.
Where have you been, Ashley? We have been worried to death.
Good to see you, though. Yeah, everything's gonna be all right now Ashley's back.
I'm the king of Para Valley. Where else would you expect me to be, guys, except right here?
I knew Ashley wouldn't just leave us behind.
Come on, let's go see what happened, shall we?
We were sitting here watching these two magicians doing their disappearing trick, but no one's come back yet.
Yeah, they've just vanished.
Okay, calm down. Brian, I hear they did the trick on you. Tell me exactly what happened.
I'm not exactly sure if you see what I mean. I squeezed into this trunk, and before I knew it, I was outside. I don't know how. See, it's pitch black in here.
It's pitch black? Brian! Huh?
Somebody stop me! Hey, now how did that happen?
I don't get it. Whoever did this set the whole thing up to snatch the kids. But who would do such a thing? Nah, it's not making sense. What do you think?
I remember. Those monkeys were covered in leaves. They were in disguise, which means we know them and they know us. Not that that helps us much in trying to uncover who they really are. I just thought that...
Knuckles and Stealth! I might have known we hadn't seen the last of those two goons.
But what about our kids, Ashley? Where do you think they've been taken to?
I don't know, but I'll get them back.
This plan's working out perfectly.
Sure it is. I thought of it, so it's flawless. Now, if you watch very closely...
Yeah!
And thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, it hurts!
What's the next part of the plan?
We'll keep them here for now, where nobody can find them. Then we watch and wait and see what they're willing to do to get their kids back.
Right.
Oh, wow!
I'll make you float in the air.
What are they doing there?
Right, now concentrate and bring them here. Yeah! Ha ha! Alakazee! Alakazam! Ha ha! Hey presto!
Oh, incredible!
Ashley!
Yeah.
So how's he doing that, Stealth?
Huh? The cup just told me your wish.
Huh?
Powers of the universe, listen and obey my command. Rain on those who wish it.
It's raining! It's raining! That was my wish!
Ha ha! Watch this. And now, powers of the universe, listen and obey my command.
Here.
Wow! This is incredible! Everything I wished for on those cups comes true. First the cup made it rain, then they made this watermelon appear. I never believed in magic until now.
Huh?
I'm gonna wish for 100 more. I gotta tell everyone about these magic cups. Your wishes come true.
Cups that make wishes come true. Think it really works.
Ooh, I can't believe you'd buy that. It was all set up beforehand. Like the trick we did, you dimwit.
Ah! No, you're the dimwit, Stealth. If this magic works, we just wish for Ashley to be gone, and all of Para Valley would be ours. It wouldn't be a problem. I'm gonna try it.
Oh, if you do, you'll regret it. But in the meantime, I think I'll just lie down for a bit. Oh.
Huh?
Hey!
This is for you. Go ahead and make a wish. Yeah.
Oh, Magic Cup, I wish that Ashley would just disappear, and that everyone in Para Valley would now bow down before me, even Jerry. Oh, yeah, and Stealth.
This is the Magic Cup speaking. Before your wish is granted, you must answer some questions. Just as all the other monkeys who came before you have done, this is the only way I can make your wishes come true. Are you ready?
Yeah, I guess so. But can you guarantee my wishes will come true? How do I know this is for real?
Look around. Use your eyes. There's a lot of satisfied customers out there.
Yeah, that's true.
Now here is your question. A question you must answer. Many monkeys disappeared yesterday in mysterious circumstances. Where are they now?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? You're not sure? Then I'm not sure I'll grant your wish. Put me down and leave immediately.
Well, if my wish comes true, I won't need those kidnapped kids anymore, so maybe I should just tell it. Yeah, I don't care what Stealth says.
Last chance, answer or leave.
No, wait. I know the answer.
Ah, an excellent answer. Come on, Goldenrod. I know where they are now.
Right. Follow Daniel. It looks like he's found out where the kids are. Huh?
Here you go.
Thanks. Wait 1 second. I need to get something.
Oh, do I get a bonus gift?
That's right.
Oh.
Ha! I knew it was you, Knuckles. Didn't I warn you never to come back to Para Valley?
Ah!
Stop right there! Stop!
Run, Stealth! Run! We've been rumbled!
Huh? Didn't I tell you not to do it? Didn't I tell you?
I didn't know! It was a trap!
Come back, you cowards!
Ashley!
Huh?
Hey, guys! We bring good news! Hooks!
Guess I owed you that one.
Thanks, Goldenrod!
Ashley!
The kids were there, all right. Right where he said they'd be.
Woola, woola, wah-ha-ha! Woola, woola,
It's thanks to
wah-ha-ha!
me that them kids are back safe and sound. Ha!
They stopped chasing us. Ah! Oh, boy, that's sharp.
Ashley's a tough nut to crack. We should head back to Mount Concha for reinforcements.
What about Jerry?
If we leave now, he won't find out that Ashley's still alive.
Back to Mount Concha, then.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Sorry.
Hey, Clark, it's me.
Good to see you, Mike.
Mike, it's you.
Here, take this. Eat and stay healthy. I'm sure everything is gonna work out just fine, okay?
It's all my fault. I should have got you to Para Valley so we could be with Ashley forever. If only Jerry hadn't caught me and locked us all up. I'm the one to blame.
Guys, Jerry's...
You must tell us. Has Jerry gone to look for Ashley?
Well, you guessed. Sorry.
Oh, yeah? And what does he plan on doing to him?
Well, I heard Jerry and his followers are gonna kill Ashley and take Para Valley for themselves.
No! Not that! Ashley! My poor child!
Oh, Michelle, listen. Ashley, he's Montague's son and just as strong and brave as his father was. I'm sure he can handle Jerry. He'll take him down, no problem at all.
Yeah.
Whatever's in my way, I'll destroy it. Ah! I sense danger close by.
We must prepare ourselves.
What happened? Think they found us?
You ain't going nowhere.
We love and respect Para Valley, and that makes everybody happy.
You take the river and surprise them.
Hey!
The rest of us will take the cliff.
Oh no! Bees!
Ashley, it's time to say your prayers.
不公义，沿着风的轨迹，远离大地，远离我的视线。穿透真心爱就在这里，Love